Today we're taking a look at the Imolaza sprinkler controller. So thank you to the company for sending us this. I'm going to be installing this new controller in place of our old one. To begin with, let's talk about what comes inside the box. You have everything you need, and it is very basic and very simple. So you have the controller. It also comes with the screws necessary and some fasteners and also the screwdriver, and then you have the power plug. It also comes with stickers to kind of help you keep track of your wires. I mean, if you have multiple stations like I do, it's good to be able to mark all of that ahead of time. So the first thing that they suggest, it's a great idea, take a picture of your wiring so you know which colors correspond to which valves that you have out in your yard. They've even provided a nice mounting template, which has the 3 holes for where the screws go. So you just put that up where you want the controller to go, mark the holes, and then you can install the plastic tabs that go inside the sheetrock that the screws will screw into. We've got it installed. Putting the wires in was pretty simple. So I am super excited about this Imolaza irrigation controller for 2 reasons. The first one is it was super easy to set up. You just basically take off the old controller, put the new one on the wall, insert the wires, and you are good to go. My most favorite thing about it is the app that it comes with. So you can control it remotely. And that is huge for me when I'm out in the yard and I'm working on it, or I just want to test different zones to make sure the sprinklers are working well. I can very easily turn it on with the push of a button. What I love about the apps is that for each zone, you can go through and it asks you a bunch of questions about the zone so that it has a better understanding of what you're trying to water, what the soil is like, how large of an area you're trying to water, even the types of sprinklers that are coming on, which really helps tailor a proper schedule for watering whatever zone you're working on. So I really like that. I like the detail of the app. One of the great things is just being able to turn it on and off from the phone so you don't have to keep running back into the garage or wherever you have your controller, turning it on and then running back out. You can just do it directly from your phone with the push of a button. So one of the nice things about the app as well is that it does connect to local weather stations. So it kind of monitors the weather and you can adjust how your watering works based on the weather. I also like the fact that you can turn your zones or your sprinklers on or off remotely. So if you're away from your home and you feel like you want to water, or if something comes on or there's a problem, you can control it from your phone wherever you are. It's just a click of a button, the valve comes on, you can check your sprinklers, make sure everything is great, everything looks good, hit the button again, and it turns right off. So this is the app showing all of the zones that you have. So it's super easy to use. Like, you name it what you want so you know which zone it is. You can even have a photo of the area so you can remember. If you want to turn it on, you just do quick run. That's the name of it. You can set how many minutes you want and then run. So what do I love about the Imolaza irrigation controller? First is the simplicity of the install. And it's a huge upgrade with the app. That is a game changer for irrigation control. Just having your phone, being able to turn on the zones immediately at your fingertips